Welcome to Project Wrong Way. This is a new day. It's not the same day that we went and got the axles. As you can see, I'm wearing a different color sweatshirt, so obviously it's not the same day. I don't know why I'm hammering this point home.
Because you feel awkward deceiving the world?
Well, I don't want people to think I'm just non-stop working on the Landcruiser.
You know, a lot of
Sound it out.
wow, my brain just died.
It's because it's smaller than a normal brain.
A lot of YouTubers, creators,
Yeah.
that's what I was looking for. A lot of creators,
Social media influencer.
they do batch filming,
Oh,
and pre-film.
they just film a bunch in one
They
day.
film a bunch so that they have stuff to post.
I'm not doing that. That's for.
That's what you're doing today.
Ah, man, I'm trying to not cuss. No, I'm
All
not
right.
cussing this episode.
It's not
That's
cussing.
the last one.
We'll beep. You can always beep, honey. Why don't you just start beeping
I'm
things?
gonna beep it. Just do
What
like
are,
a walk.
what are those shapes? What are those shapes we're looking at? We've got a square,
Yeah, getting close on that. Get
and a
that.
circle, and like a funny rectangle with
Alright, back
eyes.
up.
Ooh, that looks like a pair of glasses.
Back up.
Some really cool glasses.
What Rachel's checking out and what you're seeing right now is my hard work. I've been sandblasting, primering, and painting in cold weather. And none of that's
Basically
probably gonna
ignoring his family.
Yep. So today we're gonna install all those bits that you can see right now. And if we go over here, because I got new axles, I went ahead and switched the more modern drive shafts back to fitting a like a 75 and higher, a 4-speed, and that.
So you switch the ends back.
I switched the ends back, put them back. All right. All right. So first things first. Come over here. It's time to do some fabrication. I went with the all-purpose belts from Tractor Supply for the radiator bushing and battery tray bushing.
I need you to hurry so that we have time for you to take us to lunch.
Yeah,
You
I
and
know.
your girls want to go to lunch.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to
He's trying to replace his cussing with inaudible
Street Fighter 2 sound.
strange sounds.
See. Okay.
I like what it took over a week for you to figure out what to film. And this is it. This is the
Okay. Whoa!
victory.
Fabrication. Stunts. Okay. I'm also going to install the battery tray.
Well, you don't have to make it
Get in on
to
the
that
hardware.
music. Hardware?
Yeah, hardware.
Is this the hardware?
So see the new hardware?
Oh, it's so shiny and beautiful. Get your dumb hand out of the way.
I got
Ooh.
I got this kit from Cruiser Core, and so that's how I know it's good.
Because it has Cruiser in the name.
Okay, I went and got the radiator. This is the stock radiator, but I went and got it tested,
And
it
read.
has AIDS. Okay, so I'm gonna set this on the ground. I'm gonna line up. Okay, so it's lined up, right?
What do you mean lined up?
Well, the radiator goes
Oh,
inside
you're
the
lining
housing.
up the hose.
Yeah.
Hose? I meant hose. Line up your hose. Got a circle on a square.
Just like that.
See, you put a belt on today.
Yes, because this is
That's
a
different than
It's
yes-
a completely
than-
different day than. So this 2F fan shroud was given to me by George Esther. It was in pretty bad shape. I restored it.
Looks like that's a little cricket in there.
There's a little cattywampus.
Yeah, I like that word. It's a good one.
Oh, I do too.
Chelsea commented on your picture.
Yeah.
She said she's done that before.
Whoa! Lifting?
Yep, lifted an axle.
Yeah, I doubt it. I had to rechase all of the holes
Because you painted them?
because I painted. Gosh, gall darn, you know?
Golly Wally. Jiminy Cricket.
Is that like a different direction bolt or something?
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Somebody else said, don't forget to hold your breath. In times of distress, your body makes all the oxygen it needs. Did you know that actually holding your breath when you lift heavy things destroys your pelvic floor?
No.
And then men can have pelvic floor problems from heavy lifting too?
I did not know that.
Yeah, that's what a pelvic floor therapist said. That like, she said in CrossFit communities, sometimes they brag about peeing their pants when they lift heavy stuff. And she said that's actually a sign that you're like absolutely destroying your body and that you shouldn't be doing that.
I think it's just because the vagina is less capable of kinking. You can't put a kink in a vagina.
No, she was talking about men doing it too.
Men don't pee.
When they lift heavy stuff?
No.
Ever?
They throw up or they pass out.
That is funny though. I'm not gonna lie. That's a guilty pleasure watching meatheads fall over when they lift heavy stuff.
Oh, I literally threaded in every dumb bolt. Gosh dang it.
I don't understand what you're even doing right now.
Well, I'm taking this back out because I failed to chase every thread hole. Does that make sense?
You didn't exfoliate one of the holes?
Yeah.
I bet Gwyneth Paltrow has a product for that.
I bet you she's got a candle named after her butthole coming out. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
This candle smells like my vagina. People are like,
And
I'll take it.
And it's sold out. Yeah. It is a cool little tool though. The little release button and everything.
Yeah.
I like that.
So I chased the wrong hole.
I feel like you could help me down.
Just 1 second, honey.
You don't help me with anything. You can't help me down. Just gotta put those screws in the holes.
I chased the wrong hole. You know? You guys know what that's like? So once we attach this, honey, I'll put the radiator in.
Please, what?
I want it to go in there.
Just force it. Do you need small-handed wife to do it?
No.
You don't let me actually do anything.
All right, so they're all in.
You just have to tighten them now.
Yep, I just gotta snug it up. And then we'll put the radiator,
Snuggle.
snuggle it up. Stand by though, because I'm gonna have to rebuild those axles. That should be pretty
Do
easy.
you even know how to do that?
No, don't. I know how to take them apart though.
That's
It's really simple, it's just one bolt at a time.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
My buddy Kyle always said, it's just nuts and bolts.
Yeah, but he's well trained and knows what he's doing.
He is on another level.
That or like the face. Remember when I got bit on my lip in the middle of the night and my lip swelled up?
Yep, I remember that.
I couldn't sleep because my whole mouth was swollen. I've been bitten on my eyebrow too. My eye swelled up.
Again, honey, I have viewers in foreign countries where the mosquitoes lift children away. So it's, as much as we should complain,
I know, the problem is I mean, I don't care if it bites me in the arm or the leg.
first world stuff here we're dealing with. All right, next. Radiator housing.
Got an extra screw sitting over there. Wonder where that goes.
I don't know. You're gonna wanna move. Gotta take the fan off.
So does the fan have to go inside of that little circle thing and then you attach it back to the motor?
Oh boy. Yeah, kind of.
Did this just become more complicated than you
No,
expected?
not for me. Got a giant brain, honey. Giant brain.
If you had such a giant brain, you would have foreseen that.
Wait, I'm not gonna be able to reach those.
Having one of those brick wall moments where you're like, I
Well,
don't
if
know.
I take that out, I'm gonna bleep that. You guys might not remember this, but I just loosened up all the bolts on the fan because I was gonna take it out. And then I was like, oh wait, I'll try it. But in the process of making it fit, forgot to tighten the bolts back up on the fan. So,
Do you care about the Super Bowl?
not a ton, no.
I hate football.
I know the Niners are in it this year.
I hate football so much. And I hate it. It almost always falls like right on my birthday or around my birthday.
I can think of other things I'd rather do than watch football.
I like football, like soccer.
You just like the guys.
Yeah, they're better looking.
Yeah, they are. There it is. Okay.
But their games don't go on for a million years. Like I swear, a football game goes forever. Is that supposed to touch this thing and this thing?
No, it won't. It won't. Not by the time I'm done. Oh. It's coming together.
Oh man,
Putting it back
she's
together.
got her face on again.
Yeah, she does.
You can put the grill and everything back on? What?
Well, I'm not putting the grill back on yet.
Oh, okay. But I mean, it's possible.
Yeah. Everything's possible.
Remember when you did a bunch of unnecessary stuff? When you took that off? It's pretty funny. So what's this long dilly-willy thing you're using?
Well, this is the bushing.
Oh, okay. I thought that was like a weird screw tool.
No. Okay. So this goes
Ah, just nearly threw that at me.
right there. And I don't think I chased that thread hole either. So here ends another episode of Project Wrong Way. I've got the radiator assembly all put together. I can easily remove it because I'm gonna have to put belts and hoses on. I did wash all these hoses in the dishwasher. Some of them look like they're ready to get put right back on, but I'm gonna order some new ones anyway.
I hate you so much.
Hate myself. If anybody needs these little guys remanufactured, I'll
They'll be selling those
I'll make
to
100 of them.
pay back his debts.
I don't know, maybe we'll do like a thing where I just send them to people in the mail. You know, or over email.
You send rubber over email?
My big struggle was not knowing where everything went. Like, not knowing which bolts went to where.
So you just bought new bolts. And then
Well, the new hardware I had, so.
Like, subscribe,
Okay, please
share.
like, share, and subscribe. Let's get Project Wrong Way 10,000 subscribers. No, there isn't 10,000 people out there that would. Yeah, this is good fit, good clearance. Fan's not going to be touching anywhere, so that's good too. I might be able to get a what's it called? Past all this, a belt. There's no belts on my pulleys. Gotta fix that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.